Fuck! Uh, hey, Homelander. What's the problem? I heard there was a huge alert. What did you need us here for? They're gone. What? A-train. Listener is gone. Where the fuck are they? I don't know. You know. Where are they? Listen, man, I don't know. You expect me to know? Listen, I get it. They are important to you, and you need them, and, we could just go search. Noir, you up for a search? Yeah, that's what's up. See, me and Noir could go look and see what's going on, okay? Trust us. The Deep? Deep, where the fuck have you been? I was just hanging out with Ashley. What? Yeah, Ashley needed me for something, and, um, I had to go talk to her. Were you fucking Ashley? Again? No. No. Me? Having sex with that broad? Nah. First of all, I think you should not think low of me. Okay? So let's fix that. So, where have you been then? I just said I was with Ashley. I feel like you're bullshitting me, though. Come on, man. I would never do anything like that. Come on, me? You're funny. Anyways, what is this meeting about? Deep. Listener's gone. What? Yeah. Um, Listener's gone, and Homelander is not really happy about that. So, me and Noir are going to go search around the city for them. You coming? Yeah. Yeah. Most definitely, I'm coming. I'll help you search out for Listener. And I'll make sure if I see them, I will take them and bring them right here. Alright then, let's go. Come on, Noir. Deep? Yes? Homelander? Is there something that you're hiding from me? No. Why do you say that? Why are you so nervous? Do I make you nervous? No, not at all. Then why were you not fucking looking at me in my eyes? Huh? Is there really something you're hiding? No. I'm being honest with you. I don't have nothing to hide. I know you're lying, and I hate liars. I can smell it. Fine. I'm lying to you, okay? I kind of put Viagra in A-Train's coffee. A-Train? Wait. A-Train drinks coffee? A speedster drinks coffee? Listen, you never know, okay? She is just a handful, and I just did it as a prank, and I thought it would be hilarious. But anyways, Homelander, I'm gonna go look for Listener, and I'll let you know when I find him, okay? Okay. See ya. A-train drinking coffee. That's the most stupidest shit I've ever heard. But I still think they are hiding something. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this shit. And when I do, listener will be mine again.